Okay, here we go. This is their homework, your homework. And then I said I would record this one. Some of the class we did already. So many newspaper are made from 100% wood. The wood used to make this paper can come from pines, trees, which are typically 60 foot tall and has a diameter of 1 foot. Oh, diameter of 1 foot, that's... However, only half of the volume of each tree is turned into paper. Suppose it takes about 0.5 cubic inches of wood to make 1 sheet of paper. About how many sheets can be made from a typical pine tree? So about how many sheet of paper from a typical... Show your work, explain your reasoning. Okay, let's show the work here. First of all, we want radius. Diameter of 6 foot, of a foot. Okay, what's half of a foot? Half of a foot is 6 inches, okay? Half of a foot is 6 inches. A whole foot is 12, so half of it's 6. Now here's a problem. This is in inches, and this is in foot. A lot of you in class, I did not see you change this. Therefore, you need to change the foot into inches, okay? I would do that. So times it by 12, you get 0.72, I think. Yeah, 12, 31, yeah, inches. Okay, so you need to find the volume of it and then divide it by 2 because only half of it is used for paper. So volume is equals to pi r squared. A wood is cylinder, guys, times the height. So volume equals the 3.14 times the radius. Radius is 6 inches, diameter is 12, times radius, 6 inches squared times the height, which is, how tall is a typical tree? 700 inches. Well, multiply all that. Oh my goodness. Okay. Multiply all that. I would do. Excuse me. Times 36, because 6 squared is 36, times 720. Big number. You would get volume equals 81,388.8. Okay, but only half of it, so divide that by 2. Divide it by 2, because we only need half of it, right? Half of the tree. Only half the volume used for wood. So divide that by 2. Get the volume that needed for a tree is used for a tree is this much, 40,694.4 inches. Okay, that's volume, and then it takes 0.5 cubic inch of wood to make 1 sheet of paper. So how many do we need? Can this make? If it's 0.1 to make 1, you divide that by 0.5 inches. Volume equals, this is inches cubed. So your answer is inches squared. Squared is a piece of paper. Oops, sorry, didn't realize this was there. Oh, this is cubic. That cancels out. So how many paper can it make? Divide that by 0.5. Hey, it got back their original answer right up there. Right? So it makes this much paper. 81,388.8 sheets. So 81,388 sheets of paper. How many sheets can be made from a typical pine tree? A typical pine tree can make up to 81,388 sheets of paper. Okay, and you guys, we did these in class. Just remember, if you forget, you multiply this and this. You get 24.3 times 10. That's a -4. You add these together because multiplication add 9. So you get 24.3 times 10 to the 5th power. This is not in scientific notation. You put 1 over here. So 2.43, because 1 went over, you need to add 1 there, times 10 to the 6th power. And this same thing, this is divide, so you subtract 10 to the 8 minus 3, divide that, you get your answer, times 10. Okay, that should work. Calculate the distance between the two given points. Okay, how far is this? Any given length, to find a length that you can't count, you do Pythagorean theorem. Okay, equals to c squared. That means you need this right here and that right there. So you get 2, 4, 6, 8, and 15 this way. And do Pythagorean theorem to find the diagonal distance. So 8 squared plus 15 squared equals the diagonal squared. We're trying to find this diagonal right here. Okay, what type of transformation occurred? This is the pre-image right here. To get there to here, it's called a, let me check. C is -1, 6. This is 6, 1. Switches 90 degrees clockwise. Rotation of 90 degrees clockwise. And this is 3, 2, 2, 3. Okay. Translate -2 horizontal. Ooh, that means to the left. And 3 vertical. Okay, -2 horizontal. And 3 vertical up. So right there, that's D. Label that. Okay. C prime, D prime. Okay. There's B prime. Oh, we're going off the chart. It's over here. A prime. There we go. Find a diagonal length of FH. Ooh, we don't know the exact. We're going to do Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus B squared equals to C squared. Okay, we need to make 90 degrees here. That's good. Nope, don't go that far. Right there and right there. It's 3, it's 4. Hey! So you find the rest. 3 squared plus 4 squared equals c squared. So the diagonal for FH is 5 units. Okay? That's how you do it. And then write a linear equation for line AC. Okay, line A to C. Line A to C. You know that line. Okay, let's look at A. A is -8, 2. C is -1 and 6. You want a linear equation. So you get x1, y1, x2, y2. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. You get y6 minus 2 over -1 minus -8. You get 4 over 7. Okay, then you do y point slope. Y minus 2 equals to 4 over 7. X minus -8. Y minus 2 equals to 7 over 4 over 7x. You guys finish this the rest, right? That becomes a plus 32 over 7. And then, or 32, 7 into 32, how many times? 4 times, with a remainder of 4 over 20 over 7. Okay? Add 2, add 2. You get y equals 4 over 7x. 4 plus 2 is 6. That's your answer. Okay? Or whatever decimal you got, but you should learn to easy add like